Hi everyone, welcome to class. I am Mrs. Olayinka. Hope you're good this morning. All right, you welcome to this class, and the topic is chocolate, a refreshing dessert. Chocolate, a refreshing dessert. In our last class, I told us about desserts. Yes, I introduced dessert to us in our last class. I told us what dessert is and some types of desserts around us. Can anybody remind me what a dessert is? Okay, it's a sweet taken when after the main dish. Good. After the main dish. So you take your dessert after your main dish. Is the last course. Yes, is a last course in your meal. Now let's see what the objective of today's class is. All right, at the end of this class, I will expect that you should be able to define chocolate, then history of chocolate, tell me a little about chocolate, how to make chocolate, and then types of chocolate and health benefits of chocolate. Yes, you're going to be learning a lot in today's class, and I will expect that you should be able to prepare chocolate at home after this class. So please listen attentively as we go into today's class. So what is chocolate? Okay, is a sweet made from cocoa bean, often taken as a refreshing dessert. It is made from cocoa bean and is a refreshing dessert. So it's a sweet. Okay, it can be dark, white, creamy in color, and you need ingredients like milk, you need the cocoa bean, and you need sugar if you sugar to make it tasty. Okay, you need the milk, you need cream. Okay, so those are some of the ingredients you need to make chocolate. What is a little history of chocolate? How did chocolate come to be? What is the origin of chocolate? Actually, it originated in ancient Mayans and Aztecs. Yes, and it is at first used in rituals and as a currency. That was what it was actually used for initially, but after some time it evolved, and evolved from a bitter drink to a sweet confection we know today. So from what it used to be for used for ritual and as currency, it became something that you and I want to actually have. All the children, everybody want to have chocolate now. It has evolved. Now it was introduced to Europe in the 16th century. That was when it was introduced, okay, to Europe. But it originated with ancient Mayans and Aztecs. All right. So that's a little history about chocolate. Now let's look at how chocolate is made. Okay, so from the cocoa bean, okay, you process it, you harvest, you ferment, and then you roast. All right, then it becomes cocoa liquor, and then you mix with milk, sugar to make chocolates. Yes, after you harvest, okay, you harvest the cocoa bean, okay, you ferment, you roast, and you do all those processing. Then make sure it comes out as a liquor, and then you mix with milk, sugar, and it becomes chocolate. Now, do you know that it takes about 400 cocoa bean to make one round of chocolate? Yes, that's a fun fact for you to know. 400 cocoa bean to make just one round of chocolate. You can see how nourishing and how enriching it can be. Now, what are the types of chocolate? We have four basic types of chocolate. We have dark chocolate, okay, it's less there. It has less sugar, but rich in cocoa. Then we have milk chocolates. It has a lot of cream and it's sweet and it's very popular. Then we have white chocolates. It's made from cocoa butter. No, okay. Then we have ruby chocolates. Okay, this naturally pink fruity flavor. It has a fruity flavor. It's ruby chocolate. So we have dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate, and ruby chocolate. Those are the types of chocolate that we have. Now, what are the health benefits of chocolate? What does it do for us? Okay, it contains antioxidants, and then it can improve heart health and our mood. Yes, it improves our heart health, and our mood. Then it enhances the brain function and reduces stress. Yes, it enhances the brain function and reduces stress. Those are the health benefits of chocolate. So when you're taking a bar of chocolate, don't just feel that you're just taking sweets alone. It has health benefits. Okay, it improves the heart health. It improves our brain. It also enhances our mood and it reduces stress. So let's look at global chocolate culture. Okay. So countries like Ghana, Ivory Coast, they lead in cocoa production presently. Then another global chocolate culture is the chocolate festival is held in Italy, France, and USA. And another global culture of chocolate is the Switzerland and Belgium, and even Germany are top chocolate consumers. Yes, Switzerland and Germany and Belgium, they top the list on those that consume chocolate the most. Now, in conclusion, let's look at more chocolate facts. I told you there are 400 cocoa bean can is used to make a jar of chocolate. Now let's have other chocolate facts. Now, the world's largest chocolate bar weigh over 2,000 pounds. Can you imagine? So there are more than 600 flavor compounds in chocolates. There are more than how many? 600 flavor compounds in chocolates. Wow. Okay. Chocolate was once so valuable it was used as a currency. I told you that at the beginning of the class. Then the scientific name for the cocoa tree is Theobioma cocoa. All right. So I hope you've gotten one or two fun facts about chocolate. All right. Let's wrap it up and let's see what we have learned in today's class. All right. You can tell me what chocolate is made from. Now let's have another question. Type of chocolate. What are they? Then mention three else benefit of chocolate. And then can you give me some ingredients? Just three in making chocolate. All right, I'll be expecting your responses in the Google Classroom and in the comment section of this video. I'll be expecting you in the next class. Thank you for attending to this class. So ensure that you take chocolate at least once a day. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.